Tired of slow grinding? Meet the Sanford SF5901GM Mixer Grinder, power and precision redefined. With an 800-watt, powerful motor that reaches 18,000 RPM and energy-efficient technology, you achieve maximum results with minimal energy consumption. Experience ultimate convenience with 3 durable stainless steel jars, featuring secure lid locks for hands-free operation and overload protection for peace of mind. It's not just grinding, it's max grind technology. Built with Swirl Control, Inbuilt Flow Breakers, and ultra-sharp number 304 stainless steel blades for that perfect, consistent blend every time. The Sanford SF5901GM is your kitchen powerhouse. Simple to use, safe to operate. Upgrade your grind today.